All of us here at Spotsylvania County have the utmost dedication to serving our community with excellence. The added bonus to that is those types of people also come with an enormous heart and passion for people and helping and caring. We often run into families or individuals who are at the worst points of their lives.
I'm the bilingual aide. I help the clients with the Spanish translation. I wanted to do more for my community. I wanted to be a resource for my community. And I love it because you're able to do that here. It's my dream job.
Coming into social services, you have an opportunity to work in different areas. It's not just one area. And you have an opportunity to grow. You can start here in the benefits division and then you want to move over to services division. And so you experience life as you grow, and you're able to partner with your coworkers and partner with the community to be able to impact the community in a positive way.
We try to give you as many tools as we can so you have it readily available in your toolbox. Once you're done with training, that doesn't mean the support ends there. You have a senior worker, you have a supervisor, you have your team itself where you're constantly meeting, you're constantly staffing, you're exchanging ideas. Individually, we can do great things, but as a team, we can do even greater things.
We have a pretty large community and we're always growing, and times are tough right now for a lot of people that have never had to come to the table and request benefits. So we are busy and we are trying to meet their medical needs, their food insecurities, and just any other resources that we can provide and be of help to in the community. We try to approach it with compassion and put ourselves in that situation, even if we've never been there. They're coming to us at a very vulnerable state, maybe even a little embarrassed, so just be kind to them.
In order to be a family services worker, you have to be tenacious and patient at the same time. You have to be able to keep yourself calm, you have to be able to calm others while also thinking rationally and coming up with the best case scenario for what your desired outcome is. If you love children, if you love seeing change and believing in the progress of people, you can work in human services.
Under the Adult Protective Services side, we investigate allegations of abuse, neglect, and exploitation. We screen for long-term care, Medicaid for individuals to get caregivers in the home, to either go into a nursing facility or assisted living. We want to help elderly. They're a vulnerable population, and oftentimes, they don't have a lot of people that step up to the plate to help them or take care of them. Just helping individuals is the reward for us.
For Child Protective Services, you got to have a passion to help people, because that is the whole purpose of us really getting into this and being able to help ensure safety, but also to make sure the family can succeed without us being involved. It can be very challenging, but it can also be very rewarding. I actually still hear back from families that I've helped years ago that where they are now and how well they're doing, and that's what I look forward to.
I am the supervisor for the Prevention in-Home Unit. We work with families either in a means to help them prevent a situation or to help them overcome a barrier. Usually our cases come to us through there having been a child protective service concern. Spotsylvania County DSS, in my opinion, has always been ahead of the curve. An example is when the state was still talking about creating prevention units, Spotsylvania County was in the process of doing it. We have leadership that looks for what's coming and is willing to invest in what's needed to get us ahead of the ball. There is camaraderie, there is companionship here. We do life together.
We're all gonna have bad days. There's days that I walk in here and I've had a rough week, and my staff will come in and they'll sit down and they'll check in on me. And it's just being there for your peers, because when those days get tough, you need the other person to help support you. You need your team to help support you.
It is a very tough job. We've got each other's back. And when there is a really tough day or a tough case in CPS, it's not uncommon to see them bringing in food for the people who are working the case, or stopping and checking in, or huddled together, because they are their own therapist, so to speak, in that moment to get through that day.
We have a great, beautiful decompression room that we can go to and spend a little bit of time if we're having a moment. If we need to step away, we can go to the decompression room. You can always message your supervisor and let them know, I just need a 15-minute break. It's never held against us. We're never looked down upon. Our mental health is very important to the staff here.
The work-life balance here is impeccable. I have a daughter that has recently had some medical needs, and without the support of this agency, I would be an unemployed mom versus a working mom. So that support is something I am forever grateful for.
If you have the heart to help people, if you want to help your community, then this is the perfect job for you.
You got to look at what your purpose is. In social services, we do a lot of good work, and you can make a difference in this line of work just by one thing that you say, one thing that you do.
When you see someone get something that fulfills a need that they have, you get like a warm feeling all over, like it's an endorphin release, like somebody else got it today. Like it's a win for them, and so it's a win for me.
It is because of the people here that we do what we do and that we do it so well. And I just want more of those people. I just want to bring them in. I want to find them and bring them to the team.